close your eyes, does it almost feel like now?
Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of this beautiful diecast car. It's the Audi R8 V10 Plus, the new one of course. It's in a nice pearl blue, and I'm gonna use this scissor to open this up. And of course, Happy New Year, guys. It's 2018. And yeah, I hope to make more videos this year, because it's a new year. And yeah, I haven't posted a video in a while, so I thought I'll post one today. So yeah, I'm gonna open this box. And yeah, alright, yeah. It is now open. Wow, that's a nice looking car. It is indeed my dream car right there. This is in a really nice spec, to the best diecast car spec. You got black rims, carbon fiber wings and all that, in a really nice color too. If you see in the sun, you guys can see in the sun right there, it's really nice. Now let's get to yeah, getting these screws out of there. Alright. Yay! Now it's unscrewed, and I guess kind of like out of its shell. Now let's see it. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Wow. That's a really nice looking car. It's my, I guess, it could be my favorite car, for sure. In real life, I mean. Not in the model cars, but in real life, this is probably my favorite car. Yeah, now that it's out of the box, yeah, let's go ahead and get these out too. Thumbs up, everybody. Now I could say that the car is fully unboxed. I want to see it in the sun right here. Oh my gosh, what a color. Wow. It's just like the real one. It's so good looking. It is a great car. Now it's got some dust on it. Maybe I should remove those and clean it. Wow. You can see the engine bay right there. That's really nice. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I'm really loving it. So where I got it, well, I got this one at Costco for a very cheap price, because Costco is amazing. But you could also get it in Amazon and other diecast car websites. Please make sure to leave a comment if you like this car, or you can also ask where to buy it. You can ask for links. Yeah, and please also make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the unboxing video. But now that the car is fully unboxed, let's kind of do a little show around, walk around thing. See, you can see the carbon details right there. Very nice. Can I open the engine? Oh, I don't know if I can open the engine bay. Yep. Wait, is it this part? I don't know if I can open the engine. We'll see about that, but we can definitely open the doors. You can see the interior. That's very nice. You can also open this part, which is the hood. And this is where your luggage goes. That's very nice. good amount of space. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. It's a short video, and I hopefully can make much more videos this year than last year. Yeah, and can we reach 10 likes, please? That'd be awesome. 10 likes. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, and like I said, if you can, just press that like button. That'd be cool. And also, yeah, leave a comment about this video, ways that I can improve, or I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and goodbye, Happy New Year, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.